So I'm going to ask them to introduce themselves.
Jafar basajja baraba mukuru w'entebe ya katana bwa Bushenyi nagira ngo mbaro gwembo nubwo yongera abo kugira ngo polisi n'ebitongore biramuzi tubiri kutunga sente zo kubayamba mu kucyondoza ekiri kuretera obuhereza bwa kyererwa
polisi the prisons na course obutaza sente zo kumara investigate bakakora na bakabaheza manpower which is enough no sanga chief magistrate kagweta Bushenyi twinomo kandi hari misango itakuru wa grade 1 magistrate. So in
so formally between challenges nyingi zamani obutwetine department ya human rights abo kuba kokuza kwetegereza abantu abinji omucyango omurugureta Bushenyi abinji naboro so umworo kwakumara kutunga kizibo muri ya committing a crime akitwarwa ha polisi ashanga ati no muntu okubasa kumuyamba konka with the presence of y'abantu ababisha abaza kutandika gukorera hanoya baza kuba bayamba abantu abo okubarwanaho ombiragiro
abemezi bagira ngo ubworo ndekeresere mishango yo bwinazi hamwe no bwibi yayiyongera
twine mishango mingi eyo kwibeya eyo kuhamba abana eje mishango y'ebintu bibi eyo kwita ekanyiromu ahawo kugira ngo ahwiro bwinji waza nkanyamushekera ejeriye impango n'emyaka 50 no kugarra hanze haza ntutekateka ngo kikanyise echo tufunira abantu bingi abo kwenda kurya batari kwenda gukora nibenda ebwire mirumo
abo ko umuntu yari umushome akabire nakora akabina hinga akabina risa akabina ashubura aheza n'umushoro yari hanga funese ninga si abantu bafune byo kuri ekaye na nebindi byakwasa kuza ngo umuntu yari umushome production is hansi kandi cetera ihanga economy shuma
ahabwo kwenda kumara hinshongeji abishitongore cha Foundation for Human Rights Initiative ekiri kurwanirira obugabe bw'abantu kigwira office kuyamba okuchemanje zitari impango kumaraho omwijurirano omubihome.
Open this office for the betterment of our districts in the name of the Almighty and for God and my country. Amen.
Most of the people who are incarcerated here have been denied the right to prompt or expeditious trial, and of course we think that the reason why there is such a high crime rate is also largely due to lack of awareness about the law. So based on that and the current overcrowding in Yamshekera prison, we are prompted to establish a legal aid office here in Bushenyi for the greater Bushenyi district.
Obuhereza buno bwije kuyamba za district za Bushenyi mpango ezirimo Bushenyi, Shema, Buhweju, Rubirizi hamwe na Mtoma. Gasha kwa Anita Tukunda.